liberty, equality, fraternity, let them have cake. These phrases have in common the French Revolution. Good morning, class. Today we are going to talk about the French Revolution. More specifically, we will cover the causes that led to the French Revolution. We will be able to answer questions such as, why did everybody get upset when Marie Antoinette said, let them have cake? By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to imagine yourself as a person in France in 1789 and understand why the revolt happened. Now, before we start with our causes, who was Marie Antoinette? Yes, correct. She was the Queen of France. And to whom was she married? Yes, gentlemen. Correct. She was married to King Louis. Now, there were four major causes that led to the French Revolution. You have your social cause, political cause, economical cause, and your philosophers. The social causes, the French society was divided into certain classes. In your textbooks and in your essays and your source-based questions, it will be mentioned as estates. There were three estates, first, second, and third. Your second estate was the aristocrats who did not have a say in governing the country. Your third estate was your factory workers who was treated poorly, even your peasants. But anybody who was in the third estate, you were treated poorly. Political causes. What do you guys think, what can we say was a political cause that led to the French Revolution? Yes. Okay. That's a good point. The political causes was Louis. He was not a very strong king. He was a very weak king, and history remembers him as a weak king. But he believed that what the king says is law. So if Louis felt that taxes need to be raised in order to sustain their luscious lifestyle, taxes needed to be raised. Now, Henry was also overpowered by his wife, Marie Antoinette, and people sometimes called her the other woman. Now, economic causes. Who can know something about economic causes? What do you think made that? Yes. Okay. I get what you're saying. So, let's see. Economic causes, there was a poor harvest. Now, if there's a poor harvest, meaning there's going to be a food shortage. Now, with the food shortage, meant that the poor was starving, but the rich still could eat. And when Marie Antoinette heard that the poor is demanding bread from the royal family, she's like, let them just eat cake. Okay, and then the last one, the philosophers, is number 4. So philosophers, they wrote articles about what is happening in the country, and this led to uprising. Now, your task today is to summarize the causes of the French Revolution. I want you to tell these causes out of the viewpoint of somebody living in France in that century. It can be a peasant, it can be an aristocrat, it can be a clergy. But I do not want you to just name the causes. I want you to tell it from their point of view. I want you to imagine what it felt like for them to live at that time. So I prepared something for you guys to give you an example of what I'm looking for. And mine is from the viewpoint of a wealthy aristocrat, second estate. Like we said, yes. So, my dearest sister, things on this side is not well. The queen is sitting on the king's head. The crown is raising taxes again, and the poor is blaming us. You know this, my sister. What the king says is law. The rumor among those that were at the court was when the queen heard about the poor, that is, suffering, she laughed and said, let them eat cake. My darling wife says, we should not believe all rumors we hear. This, my sister, did not sit well with me. I fear the system that made this country great is busy failing us. The poor, they want equality and liberty. But I do not see this is going to happen. What will happen to us? If a hierarchy fails, what will happen to our land? They say we are to blame, but I feel the crown is the problem. There's no reason why this system would fail. This system has worked for so many years. If a government can just stop raising taxes and the king stand on his own 2 feet and not be dominated by his wife, things will run so much smoother. Lastly, my biggest concern is the philosophers. They are giving people false hope. They are feeding them lies and stories that is untrue. I'm worried about this country. I hope we survive this. Give my love to my nephews. I will see you soon. Regards, Lord Duran. Now, if we look at my example that I just read to you guys, I am covering 3 causes. The social cause, the political cause, and philosopher. And I'm actually covering economic cause also because the taxes are being raised. So what I want you guys to do is start working on this, and I will be walking around to assist.